Hello there memory enthusiasts, and welcome to the Memory Improvement Channel. Today we delve into a fascinating topic that has intrigued minds for generations: the truth about photographic memory. We're about to embark on a journey that will unravel the mysteries of this incredible ability. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Alright, let's dive in. Defining photographic memory. Before we dig deeper, let's set the record straight. Photographic memory, often referred to as eidetic memory, is the stuff of legends. It's believed to allow individuals to vividly recall visual information with astonishing precision. Now let's clear up the first myth: it's not about remembering every single detail of your life like a movie reel. Our brains are intricate, but not infallible. Photographic memory is more about a heightened ability to retain and recall certain visual details. Unmasking the science behind it. So, how does this phenomenon work? Well, researchers believe it's linked to the brain's intricate neural connections and the visual cortex. While the term photographic memory might sound like an instant camera snap, it's more like developing a photograph in a darkroom, a process that takes time and skill. Recent studies suggest that some individuals might possess a heightened ability to encode and retrieve visual information, which gives them that photographic edge. The power of techniques. Now, the exciting part: you can improve your memory. It might not turn you into a human camera, but it can make a significant difference. Let's explore some techniques that can help you boost your memory prowess. Chunking. Breaking down complex information into smaller chunks can make it easier to remember. For instance, instead of memorizing a string of numbers, break it into groups. Visualization. Creating mental images can enhance recall. Picture a vivid scene involving the information you want to remember. It's like creating your own mental photo album. Association. Linking new information to something you already know can create powerful memory connections. Get creative with your associations. Debunking common misconceptions. Now, let's have some fun debunking some misconceptions. Misconception 1. Photographic memory equals superhuman powers. Contrary to popular belief, even individuals with photographic memory aren't immune to forgetting. They might excel at certain tasks, but they're not comic book heroes. Misconception 2. Anyone can develop photographic memory overnight. Sorry to burst the bubble, but developing a sharp memory takes time and consistent effort. It's a bit like training for a marathon. You don't go from couch potato to champion overnight. Real-life stories. Now, let's hear from someone who's harnessed the power of memory techniques to achieve remarkable feats. Guest. Well, it all started with my determination to improve my memory. Through consistent practice and using techniques like visualization and association, I was able to learn languages faster, recall intricate details from books, and even impress my friends with my memory prowess. Incredible! It just goes to show that with dedication and the right tools, anyone can enhance their memory abilities. Practical exercises for viewers. Alright, viewers, get ready to flex those memory muscles. Here are a couple of exercises you can try to give your memory a workout. Location association. Take a stroll in your neighborhood and associate specific memories with landmarks. Revisit those landmarks mentally to recall the memories vividly. Object recall. Gather a handful of everyday objects. Study them for a minute, then close your eyes and try to recall as many details as possible. It's like your very own memory Olympics. The reality check. Now that we've uncovered the truth about photographic memory, it's important to remember that memory improvement is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the techniques, practice regularly, and you'll witness impressive results over time. Remember, friends, we're not striving for perfection, we're aiming for progress. Famous examples of photographic memory. Prepare to be inspired as we explore some famous minds that have demonstrated remarkable photographic memory. Kim Peek, Rain Man. You might recognize Kim Peek as the inspiration for the character in the movie, Rain Man. Kim had an extraordinary ability to recall vast amounts of information, including books he'd read word for word. Brad Williams, the human Google. Meet Brad, a real-life walking search engine. He can recite facts, figures, and even historical events with astonishing accuracy. Akinator, the web genie. This digital entity, Akinator, can guess any character you're thinking of by asking questions. It's a fun reminder of the potential of memory and information retrieval. Navigating the digital age with photographic memory. In today's fast-paced world, our gadgets often become our external memories. But what if you could leverage your memory skills to navigate the digital age more effectively? Passwords and pins. By using association and visualization techniques, you can create memorable passwords and pins without compromising security. Learning online. Imagine acing online courses by effectively remembering key concepts. Techniques like spaced repetition can be your secret weapon. Remembering faces and names. In a world full of networking opportunities, imagine the impression you'll make by recalling faces and names effortlessly. Future possibilities and ethical considerations. As we wrap up our exploration, let's peek into the future and consider the potential of photographic memory, along with the ethical dilemmas it might present. Advanced learning and problem solving. Imagine a future where individuals with enhanced memory skills can contribute to breakthroughs in science, medicine, and technology by recalling complex data and patterns. Privacy concerns. With great memory power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations arise when dealing with personal and sensitive information. Striking a balance between memory enhancement and respecting privacy is a challenge we might face. Neurotechnologies. Advancements in neurotechnologies might one day enable us to enhance memory artificially. But the question remains, how much augmentation is too much? And there you have it, memory enthusiasts, the truth about photographic memory, along with a glimpse into its potential future. Remember, the journey to improving your memory is exciting and dynamic, and you have the power to unlock your brain's incredible potential. If you enjoyed this video and found it thought-provoking, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow memory explorers. As always, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with our upcoming videos right here on the Memory Improvement channel. Until next time, keep sharpening your memory skills and embracing the boundless possibilities that lie ahead.